So today I'll be showing you how to reset all the network settings on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So if you're having any trouble with the network, maybe Wi-Fi or mobile data, something is just going wrong and you can't quite figure out what is going on, you need to reset the network settings. Now go to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down and tap on general. Under general, scroll down and then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on that, and then tap on reset, this upper option. And then you can see everything you can reset, including the network settings. So you want to tap on reset network settings. It's going to ask for your passcode, so enter that. And then once you enter the correct passcode, it's going to give you this option, and you can tap on reset network settings, and it's going to reset your network settings completely. Now the screen will go dark for a couple of moments, then come back, but it will not erase any of your data from the iPhone, just the network settings. So that means it's going to delete your Wi-Fi connections, your mobile data settings that you might have changed, and restore everything back to default. Thanks for watching, and good luck.